Hi students, I am Maithili. This is 7th standard maths NCERT syllabus. First chapter is integer. So in this exercise 1.3, in the 7 problems we have completed. Now we have to do the 8th problem. See the 8th problem. A cement company earns a profit of rupee 8 per bag of white cement and a loss of rupee 5 per bag of grey cement. Okay, so in this first question is the company sells 3000 bags of white cement and 5000 bags of grey cement in a month. So what is its profit or loss? Okay, see here they are representing profit each bag, that means rupee 8. 8 is the profit. Rupee 8 is the profit for each bag. And then rupee 5 is the loss for each bag. So here the company sells 3000 bags of white cement. After that 5000 bag of grey cement. So this much they sold. So we have to check whether it's a profit or loss. Now see the solution. Profit from white cement per bag equal to rupee 8. Okay, so per bag they have given in the question itself profit is rupee 8. Okay, so profit from white cement per bag equal to rupees 8. That means profit from white cement of how many bags? 3000 bags. Okay, 3000 white cement is there, no? So 3000 bags equal to this 3000 into 8. We have to multiply these two values. So 3000 into 8 equal to 24,000. So 24,000 here. Okay, so this is the profit from white cement of 3000 bags. That answer is 24,000. Now we have to check loss. How much loss in that? So loss from grey bag equal to. So grey bag, they have given 5000 grey bags are there, but the value loss, how much loss? It is rupee 5. Okay, each bag loss value is 5. So that means 5000 into 5. So 5000 into 5 equal to 25,000. So this is the profit and this is the loss. So profit of white cement, white bag. Okay, so here loss of grey bag. So finally we have to subtract that values. Okay, so therefore loss only. So the loss equal to 25,000 minus 24,000. Okay, so when we are subtracting these two value, we'll get 1000 because both are different symbol. So we can take 25 minus 24 equal to rupee 1000. So answer is loss of rupee 1000. Okay, and then see the second one. What is the number of white cement bags it must sell to have neither profit nor loss? If the number of grey bags sold is 6400 bags. Okay, so what is the number of white cement bags it must sell to the neither profit nor loss? Okay, so that means what? First let white cement bag to be sold be X. Okay, so we don't know how many white cement bags are sold. So for that we have to take X. Now loss in current equal to, so how much loss? Here 6400 bags are there. So 6400 into, here we have to take, for loss means 5 rupee. So 6400 into 5. So when we are subtracting these two, the value is 32,000. Now profit earned. So this is your loss, this is your profit. So profit means, for profit, how many value? That is 8 rupee, 8 rupee. Okay, so 8 into, here we have to take X. So we don't know how many bags are there. So 8 into X equal to 8X. Okay, so this is your loss, this is your profit. So we have to take both are equal, loss equal to profit. Then only we can get X value, right? So here loss value 32,000 and then here profit value 8X. So 32,000 equal to 8X. Here we need only X value, no? So which value you need? That one we have to take in left hand side. So 8X equal to 32,000. That means we need only X value. So X equal to 32,000 divided by 8. Left hand side, it's multiplication, means when we are taking right hand side, it is division. So 32,000 divided by 8 means we can cancel this. Here 1 8s are 8s and then 4 8s are 32. So x is equal to 4,000 bags. Okay, this is your final answer. X equal to 4,000 bags. After that, see the ninth question. Replace the blank with the integer to make it a true statement. Okay, so here these are the blank. So we have to fill that. So minus 3 into dash equal to 27. So minus 3 into which number equal to 27? That is minus 9. Then only minus into minus is plus. 3 9s are 27. Same like second one. 5 into dash equal to minus 35. So 5 into minus 7. Then only plus into minus is minus. 5 7s are 35. Okay. And then C sum dash into minus 8 equal to minus 56. So here it's a blank dash. So dash into minus 8. So here we have to take 7. So 7 into minus 8. That means plus into minus is minus. 7 8s are 56. So minus 56. And then D sum minus 11 into minus 12. So here equal to 132. So here only the blank. So minus 12 multiply with which number? We'll get 132. So that means minus 11 into minus 12. Here only minus into minus is plus. 11 into 12 equal to 132. Okay. So that's all. This exercise is over. So now 1.3 exercise completed. Then we have to see exercise 1.4. That one we'll see in next video. Okay. In this, any doubt means you can write the comment. If you like this video means subscribe and share. Thank you.